Assalamu alaikum friends. Today's video I will show you in the next video how you can save the small money. The small money, the 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent. The people mostly don't use that money, and all you have to do, save that all the small money 1 month or 2 month, and then you can take the all the small cents into your bank, and there's a machine, and put it the all money there, and then you get all the money in your account. Yeah, that's how you can save the money, mostly for students or the families. This money help. And the second option is the plastic bottles, the water bottles, or the other drinks bottle like cola, Fanta, or another, or the alcoholic bottles. And the alcoholic bottles are mostly from glass, and this cost 15 cent per bottle, and the plastic bottles are all are equal price, 25 cent. And you can take the all the bottles into supermarket, and there is a machines, and put it in the machine the all the bottles, and you get this one voucher. In my next video you can see that voucher, and give it to in counter, and you get your all money back, or you can shopping from that voucher. So I give you two options. The first one was for small money, throwing into machine in bank, and the second was the plastic bottles in supermarket, give back, and you get money. And the third option is the shopping card. This is a DM shopping card, as you can see here, written Real Market, Railway Market, Galeria Kaufhof, and the petrol pump Aral. Then you can use this card, and on so many online shoppings website they can you use this card, and you every time you're doing shopping, per €2 1 point you get payback punkte per €2. And every time you're doing shopping, and the points come into your shopping cart, you can download the shopping cart app. The shopping app name is Payback, and you have to register, and this card you get free. This card you get free from Galeria Kaufhof, Railway Supermarket, Penny Market, and you can save so money. I have in this card around €160 in my card. If I don't have money, I can use this card, and I can do shoppings. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today's topic is the small money. How you can use it, the small money. Mostly people, they don't use small money, and they throw it at home, or they let in the pocket money. And all you have to do for the small money, you take this into bank, throw it into machine, and you can take the money back, or you let it in your account. And the second is the plastic bottles. Take it with you in supermarket, throw again into the machine, and you get the voucher, and you voucher you can use for shopping, or you get money back.
And I return all the plastic bottles back, and the bottle was 15 bottle, and each bottle was 25 cent, and I got now €3.75 this voucher, and I can give this back voucher, and I can take money, or I can buy the products, and I give this. So that's it. I hope in this video I help you to save money and get your money back from shopping. And if you like this video, please thumbs up for me, and comment on this video, and subscribe, and like as much you can my other videos, and yeah, share with your friends and family.
they must also know if they live in Europe, in Germany. Thank you so much. Bye bye.